And we're back. John's here.
We're gonna be a lot. We're gonna be 5 in a car that fits 4.
If we can all fit in this elevator, we can all fit in the car.
I'm sorry.
It's too many. Oh, look at this. What a beautiful Kia.
Hey, it's not a fucking Kia.
So this is a John Cooper Works, okay? I'm sorry, no.
You can walk too.
Oh my god, I'm in the front. John, we're such best friends. High five. So Instagram, ignore the music. I don't want any copyright. Put it back on. I like breaking the law.
It's okay.
So that looks great. Look at these. We're doing the photo shoots for everybody. It's
Exactly.
for our eHarmony profiles.
Christian Mingle also. Don't forget Christian Mingle.
Christian Chen.
What are you doing? Oh, I like that one. Yeah, that one's really.
Damn. Oh, where's Danny? Oh, there he is. Ooh, he's dropping a. How is this?
It's terrifying.
You look like you're about to drop the mixtape with the wide angle.
So we're back in the office. And we have a shoot later on today, so I'm gonna start watching some PewDiePie Dr. Phil while working on the thumbnails for the IGTV stuff. Alright. Look at this car. Look at the glory of this car. Olivier, merci, hein?
Ça fait tellement plaisir.
Yes, merci, hein? Olivier, t'as veux-tu?
Ouais, en fait, merci.
So the plus side about working at events, look at this poutine. All right, so now Joey is gonna take my job. Okay, here you go, Joey. So how was it, Joey?
I got all the money shots, all of them. All right, now that we let Joey do the challenge, it's time for Chu to sell a car.
All right, so this is GT3 with the wing, and I saw a car in Costco and sold. So that's it. Sold. I can't tell it to you. I sold it.
Deposit, sold.
Yeah, this deposit sold. You look at your bank account, deposit's there. Ford Fiesta today.